Hey everybody, welcome to Build Fly Go. So we're playing a little bit of catch up with videos here. It wasn't a terribly productive couple of months. We were waiting for the finish kit, so we're closing out a number of little things. We are working on this fuel tank. You'll notice that balloon is still deflating in this video. It does get sorted out by the end of the video today. If you remember from the last time, we did cut an opening inside the fuel tank. We found one big leak, and we fixed that right at the beginning. You can see Mary sealing up the circular opening on the fuel tank. And it turns out that there was another leak. As you can see, you saw the balloon deflating. We did find that it is in the gas cap, the fill cap, if you will, to put fuel in the tank. And you'll notice that it is covered in this video on the left of the fuel tank there on the center of the screen. There's a white tape over it. That white tape turns out was not actually sealing it terribly well, and it was allowing for a very slow leak, which you can see if you watch that balloon, you can see it slowly deflating. We are working on multiple things at once here. You'll notice that we're sorting out some fuel lines over there. That is finally done. Deburring a couple of parts here and there, getting things ready. I am working on some wing attach brackets, and the fuel lines again, wing attach brackets that go on the sides of the wings, but we really want to get this fuel tank sorted out. Yep, there you can see the sad balloon deflating. But we finally figured it out. So the fuel tank disappears for a while, and we take it to the hangar, and we actually fill it with gas to see if we can sort out where it leaks, and it was the fuel cap. What you saw there with the drill along the rivet lines is we're shaving some of the rivets. A couple of the rivets came out slightly proud because of the Pro Seal sealant underneath them, and so I shaved them down just a tiny, tiny little bit with a rivet shaver. And here we are, sad balloon again. But this time, there it is. The balloon stays put, and we finally sorted out the fuel tank, and we can put it away and work on other things. Really, really excited about this. So next on the list is let's close out these brake pedals and brake lines. We have the final lines from TS Flight Lines. And so from our measurements and our fitment here, now they have a kit that they can sell you, which are the proper lengths for the RV-10 brake lines if you're using the Behringer brake system, but not the control approach pedals. Control approach pedals are a little more money. It's just an upgrade that you can choose to make or not. I chose not to in this case, but we did go with the Behringer. So you can buy that custom hose length for the brakes from Aircraft Specialty now. And it's nice to close some of these things out, right? It's nice to like put some torque seal on some bolts and fittings and be done with that. Next, you're going to see we're going to rivet on those green side pieces. You can see the long green pieces on the bottom left of the screen there. Those do get riveted on to the sides of the airplane coming up pretty soon. You'll notice I'm putzing with those wing attach angles right there now. But we're going to be moving on to finalizing a lot of, really trying to get through a lot of the parts that we had put aside and procrastinated on, if you will, as we wait for the finish kit. Putting on some nut plates as well there for the wing attach. The bottoms of the wing skins get screwed onto the bottom of the fuselage with some nut plates, so getting those out of the way as well. As I said, just burning through outstanding things. And here we go. Finish kit arrives. Just unloading it. And we're going to do some inventory at the end. You'll notice there's the doors on the front there, the dreaded doors. Oh, joy. But everything came in other than the main landing gear legs and the engine mount are missing. Those are back ordered, and Van should get them to us soon. So there we are. We're riveting on those side pieces, a lot more nice green, and then some inventory. Thanks for watching as usual. We'll see you soon.